All right, guys, it's official. It looks like Democrats are trying to push forward the impeachment on Trump. And I want to talk about the Republicans and the Democrats together because in times like these, you kind of look at them as separate entities. But some of their actions last year and this year will be similar. And last year, we saw nearly $2 trillion get pumped into the system via the Republicans, as a reaction to, stimulate the economy. And what that did over the course of the next few months allowed for asset price inflation. Now, this is very important for us gold and silver stackers, as we know that asset price inflation helps us a lot out. Obviously, gold shot to the moon, silver shot to the moon. We also had some stocks shoot to the moon. Also, you had real estate shoot to the moon. I was actually checking some prices on some homes, and, the median price of a home back in 2019 and earlier was still in the 200s. Now we're in the 200,000s in dollars. Now we're in the $300,000 range for median home price. So with all that money being pumped into the system, it may seem like, okay, it's not going to be too much of a bad deal. But for people who have assets already, it's not a bad deal. But for people who don't have assets and are looking to get those assets in the future, it's a bad deal because you're going to have to get more dollars to get those items that you might have been able to get a couple of years ago, but now it's much harder to do so. So as we look to this week, especially on Thursday, again, Biden on his YouTube channel, he's going to start talking about the details within the stimulus plan this Thursday. At least that's what he said last Friday. And we know that he's interested in putting out $2,000 checks to people. So as we anticipate this, we know that asset prices will likely rise again this year. So what does that tell you? Well, just as how we saw asset prices fly last year in response to stimulus getting pumped into the system, we also have to prepare for that to happen again. So you have to anticipate it by getting those assets beforehand. Now, again, this isn't financial advice, but I just want to make it clear to people that this asset price inflation is good for people who already own. It's bad for people who want to own and don't own right now. So just wanted to put this out there and make this quick video about that, just to kind of get it into your conscious this year, so you guys are aware and prepare accordingly. So let me know what you think about asset price inflation, what you think about these articles of impeachment, and what you plan on doing in response to asset price inflation. Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.